Hi class, I want to talk to you about your group assignment. Um, your group assignment 1 is going to be in um, the project integration management content, and it's a kickoff meeting, and you need to make connection with uh, your group members. Select a project manager in your group, and you can rotate that role each week. We're going to do a group assignment each week that is building your a project plan. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the assignment and talk about it a little bit. Okay, for this project, your team is going to decide on an organization or a company that has a web presence. We want to be able to use information from a website to help you create your project and have some information on a company or organization. You can also use a, a university. I have suggested um, a couple of things here for a project. The first one is consider building a classroom of 50 computers, creating a software company or a software app, or even a website. You can create a hotel network for guests. It's up to you to decide what kind of project you want to work on as far as um, this company or organization that you choose. Okay, however, you need to meet some of these elements for this assignment. I'll need a cover page with everybody's name in your group listed in alphabetical order. On a chart, I want you to have an introduction to your team members and the roles that they're going to play. You might have a project manager, business manager, network, uh, computer programmers, cyber specialists, and so forth. So you'll identify what roles your team members will be playing. You'll also uh, include a pay scale for each member. You can go to the Georgia Bureau of Employment current stats to answer that question and cite your references wherever you got your hourly pay information. Uh, they don't want you to do a short description on each one of the individual's job role. Okay. Um, Include a graphic. You can create an org structure. I would suggest make sure you put your team members in that org structure with their roles, and you might want to include the CEO, CFO, CI, you know, CIO, whatever in your org structure. Um, you can do that in PowerPoint. I believe there's a organizational chart in PowerPoint. You can just plug in names and so forth. Um, I need a short introduction on the team's project. Give me some information on your company and the project scope, uh, time, and got those three constraints. So you need the scope and your schedule or your time and what are the goals of the project. And tell me how your team will communicate for your kickoff meeting. What media interfaces did you use? Was it successful? What will you use in the future? And when will your team meet regularly? Some of my other students are using Discord, which is good. You can use Zoom, um, but um, that will be up to the team to decide how they're going to communicate. You can even just use email if you want. Um, Next, I want you to list any references that you have creating this first document and use APA. You have some information on APA through the Embedded Librarian and Librarian Wizard for APA. Okay. Uh, please submit it in a Word document. You'll probably have to use several different um, software to create this first kickoff meeting assignment. And if you have any questions, let me know. I will extend the assignment due dates if you need it, since some of you are having issues trying to connect to other team members, and I just want to make sure that everybody is on board for this. Okay. And if you have any other questions on this first assignment, let me know. Each group assignment is going to add to each week. We're going to have a different group assignment to create the project plan, the overall project plan. And at the very end, then you'll create a presentation to present your plan. Okay. And I'm going to go back to the other assignment. It's a discussion question. Please don't forget to respond to at least 2 other people's posts. Now, the discussion question for this week is on templates. If you'll go to Kathy Swab's website, she has several templates in there I want you to look at. I also have included some templates in D2L, and I'll show you where that is in a few minutes. But I want you to look at some of the templates and find some that you like, and then describe how a template can help project manager and their teams. And please use an example in your post as a reference to what you're speaking about. So I'm going to go back to Course Home, and under Supporting Documents, you will see several templates there. And you also have some helpful resources, links on how to create a work breakdown structure. You should have already created one in that last assignment, but here's some more information here on stakeholder registers, project schedule, work breakdown structure. So you can look at some of those resources here, and I'm going to go back and look at the templates. Let's go to Course Home. It's easier that way. Under Supporting Documents, all of these things here are, there's a kickoff meeting agenda, lessons learned report. These things will help you generate your project plan. A lot of them are just templates. You can just fill in some of the information, project name, the objective. This is just a sample agenda, and action items. Action items are tasks from the meeting that will be assigned to team members and due dates and stuff like that. Okay, so that's one there. So anyway, that is it for the week. And if you cannot get in touch with some of your team members, please let me know, and then I will try to make contact with them. Everyone's going to have to play a part in the group assignment. But please get in touch with me if you need some extra time. I'm going to go ahead and extend the group assignment for a few more days to help you out with that. And as usual, if you need anything, just please email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Appreciate it. Thanks.